Class 12 student unsure of which career path to choose? Well, if you have passion for technology, flying, and the world of aviation, then your journey could begin here at Silver Oak College of Aviation and Technology, SOCAT. Aviation is one of the most dynamic and exciting industries, and SOCAT offers the variety of courses that cater to students looking to embark on this thrilling journey.
Hi, ready to embark your career in aviation industry? We, Silver Oak College of Aviation Technology, a constituent college of Silver Oak University, welcome you to all the aviation courses and the aviation industry. Here we provide all the aviation courses that is both technical and non-technical. In technical, we provide aircraft maintenance engineering, aeronautical engineering, and aerospace engineering, for which the eligibility criteria is 12th with PCM, that is physics, chemistry, and mathematics. For the non-technical courses like BBA Aviation, MBA Aviation, and Cabin Crew and Hospitality Training, the eligibility criteria is 12th from any stream. Here in our campus, we have Learjet 24D, and we provide all the aviation facilities as well as the practical workshops and mentorships. So what are you waiting for?
At SOCAT, we offer an array of aviation courses, each designed to cater to the varied demands of the industries. Aircraft maintenance engineering with aeronautical and aerospace engineering for 4 years. Aircraft maintenance engineering with BTech in aeronautical aerospace engineering program is a specially designed 4 years program that offers students a unique opportunity to obtain both an AME license and a BTech degree simultaneously in 4 years. After completing this course, students can enter in diverse career paths including aircraft maintenance, repair, servicing and overhaul, aircraft manufacturing, civil aviation, defense sectors, and research organizations, securing placements in prestigious institutions like DRDO, ISRO, Airbus, Boeing, and more. Real world experience is crucial in the aviation industry, and SOCAT ensures students receive just that. Our campus is home to a fully functional Learjet 25D and HPT 32 and an Airbus A320 mock aircraft, all of which are used for hands-on training, enabling students to experience aircraft maintenance on real machines. From maintaining the Learjet to simulating complex cockpit procedures on the Airbus mock-up, our students gain invaluable practical skills that are directly applicable in the aviation industry. Our alumni are working in top airlines and aviation companies worldwide, making a real impact in the industry. At Silver Oak College of Aviation Technology, we provide the perfect launchpad for your aviation career with world-class infrastructure, experienced faculty, and hands-on training. We are committed to nurturing the aviation professionals of tomorrow.
Let's join Silver Oak College of Aviation Technology to make your career in aviation.